Welcome, here I've got ARCHOS Diamond Gamma and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. By tapping on this button we get access to more settings we can manage, and here we have the location tags button, so by using this we can turn it off and turn it on. As you can see, the yellow color suggests that this is turned on. And also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we really want to save the actual location of the picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the GPS of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let me turn it on, all of these settings, and let me take a picture. Now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this icon we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture. Here we have to pick this button from the right corner and the details, and here we can check the location at the third position, so greetings from Krakow, Poland. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.